Desmond Show.
Useless girl. You are leaving this house. Auntie, please. Come on, shut up. Auntie, please.
Oh my God. You brothers are not village. You don't be there as man. You be there as man. Qui a ça? Qui a ça? I don't know. Your problem.
This is where you are. Come and get up, my friend.
What's the problem? I don't understand.
What is all this? It's my house. Come and get up. Get up.
Get up. No, why do you want her to get up? Why do you want her to get up?
Stupid girl. Foolish girl.
Stupid girl. Are you stupid? She said no. She's not stupid now.
What is your own?
Sorry. She's not stupid.
He's just telling her to get up. He's
okay,
you
promise you will not be there again.
I promise.
I don't know she will not beat you again.
Is she a baby? Leave her now. Tell her to go and stay on her own.
It's okay. You will not your place. She will not beat you again. Okay. She will not beat you again. She will not beat you again.
What's that?
What?
What's that? What are you doing?
Nothing. I feel like this is money now.
Are you sure?
Yes, baby. I feel like this is money.
What are you covering now?
I'm not covering anything. No.
What are you hiding?
Baby, I'm not hiding anything. I feel like this is money.
Okay, open it. Let me see. I want to see what you're hiding there.
I feel like this is money now, baby.
I want to see.
No, you guys.
What are you hiding?